everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi celebrity stories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ngoNomalanga odlala phana ke kuSibongile and The Dlamini kumzansi wethu. Igama lakhe ke langempela uYolanda MYEZA. Guys, bekelo ngibona ke laphana ke ku social media umama uZanele Mbokazi Khambule ke ongumsakazi woKhozi FM nophinde ke abe yifounder yama Crown Gospel Awards emposta njalo uNomalanga azabhekisisa ukuthi kahle yithini la, what is the relationship between the two. Ngizacela mhlambe mamzanele uzo she's one of the cast members, she's coming to join uSibongile and The Dlamini. Why she keep on posting uNomalanga? Ngase ngiyathola igazi ukuthi cha uNomalanga noma ke uYolanda MYEZA uyindodakazi, she's the daughter kamama ke uZanele Mbokazi ayithola ke emshadweni wakhe oqala. And guys, yeah man, that is the relationship between the two. Bayazalana umama ke nendodakazi. Nomalanga ke noma ke uYolanda, she's 24 years of age. She hold honors degree in film and producing. Uke waba ke assistant producer womkhokha, and currently guys ke simbona laphana ke kuSibongile and The Dlamini. We really enjoy her. We enjoy her craft, her calmness. Like, she's very calm, and you know una that thing nje yakhe nje yokuba umuntu ophansi. Angazi makwenza kuyi character akuyona njengamanje, but guys she have that thing. And guys, yeah, we love her so much. We are looking forward to see her growing kule industry yakwa entertainment. That brings us to the end of this video. To leave your comment below and share your own opinion ukuthi wena uyabona nama resembles nyana laphana phakathi wakhe ke nomama ke uZanele Mbokazi ongumsakazi woKhozi FM. Simjwayele kakhulu laphana kwi show ethi ke eshilo oKhozini FM njalo ke ngesonto. Bye.